Welcome to BMAC Math Tutorial. Subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for freshly uploaded contents. This is a question from NTS CSIR NET December 2019 from Assam and Meghalaya examination. This question belongs to part B on the topic partial differential equation. Here we are given a second order partial differential equation e to the power x del 2u del x2 plus x square plus y square minus 1 del 2u del y2 is equal to 0, and it is asked about the nature of this partial differential equation in certain region. Now if we compare this partial differential equation with the standard form a del 2u del x2 plus b del 2u del x del y plus c del 2u del y2 plus d del u del x plus e into del u del y plus f into u plus g is equal to 0, then we have a is equal to e to the power x, b is equal to 0, and c is equal to x square plus y square minus 1, and d, e, f and g all are 0. Now the nature of the partial differential equation is depend on the discriminant d, which is given by b square minus 4ac, that is minus 4 into e to the power x, x square plus y square minus 1. Now we know that the second order partial differential equation is of the elliptic type. If d is less than 0 and it is of parabolic type if d is equal to 0 and is of hyperbolic type if d is greater than 0. Now if d is less than 0, this gives minus 4 into e to the power x, x square plus y square minus 1, this is less than 0, and if we divide it by the quantity 4 into e to the power x minus 4 into e to the power x, then this will give x square plus y square minus 1, this is greater than 0. Since we are dividing by a negative quantity, therefore the inequality will be a reverse one. This implies x square plus y square greater than 1, and it is a parabolic type. If d is equal to 0, this implies minus 4 e to the power x, x square plus y square minus 1, this is equal to 0. This implies x square plus y square minus 1 is equal to 0. This implies x square plus y square is equal to 1. And if it is of hyperbolic type, then 4 e to the power x, x square plus y square minus 1 is of greater than type, greater than 0, which implies x square plus y square minus 1 will be a less than 0, since we are divided by a negative quantity 4 e to the power x, which implies x square plus y square, this is less than 1. Now this region x square plus y square greater than 1 is the outside of a unit circle centered at 0 0, and this region x square plus y square is equal to 1 is the boundary of a unit circle centered at 0 0, and this region x square plus y square less than 1, this is the inside region of a unit circle center at 0 0. Now we will check each of the option one by one. In option 1 we are given that the partial differential equation is of elliptic inside the unit circle with center at origin. And from this case 1 we have seen that this PD is of elliptic type outside of the unit circle at center at 0 0. Hence option 1 is false. And for option 2 is of hyperbolic outside the unit circle center at 0 0. And from this case 3 we have seen that the PT is of hyperbolic type inside the unit circle center at origin. Therefore, the option 2 is also false. In option 3 we are given that it is of elliptic type outside the unit circle with center at 0 0, which is true from the case 1, and option 4 is false since it is a parabolic type for those particular x and y which satisfies the condition x square plus y square. Hence option 4 is false. Therefore the correct option is 3. Thank you for watching.